Let's look at how to label a chat with a particular customer. So what is a label? A label is like a bookmark where you can label a customer in order for you to manage them independently. I'm just going to show you an example here. So let's say John Doe is the customer. I'm just going to press the chat, press and hold the chat with John Doe, and a menu appears on the top right here. So the first icon here, which looks like a label, like an arrow, I will tap on that. So this is where I could label the chat with John. So I could label him as a new customer, new order, a pending payment, paid customer, order has been completed, or I can even create a new label. So let's create a new label down here. I would say new customer from website, for example. Click on OK, and I will just tap on save here. So you see that there's a small label, which is like a purplish label beside the name John Doe. I could create other labels too if I want to. For example, I can select a few labels for this customer, John. He's a new customer and he has a new order, for instance. Click on save, and you see that there are two labels identifying John Doe. So I could also label John under this chat interface here. At the top right corner menu, here it says label chat on top. Tap on that and this appears again. So that's how you can label a customer.